Tumesimama kidete.
JKA imesija.
Na tumesija. Yes. Elections in Africa.
Uchaguzi.
Yes. You know, kuiga trend gakoretwo gekua. Na gatirake ni aingire mewathani. You know there are countries that will go to election this year and I think next year as well.
Na hari magikite o ithurano hivi majuzi.
Yes.
There is a trend emerging in especially this to sub-Saharan Africa.
Yes.
There is an emerging trend.
Yes. Ya kumugithia wai.
In Kabentire.
Yes.
Nimarona mwaki.
Yes. And I'm sure, or I imagine, no mwaka goko ni kuleka WhatsApp group ka agave.
Marais.
Na no mwaka maikale makiwana yathiriri. No sio wa left.
Nani ame left?
Admin. Mbona umemtoa?
No, ame leftishwa na watu wake.
Kwa nini ametuma kitu tulikataa?
The membership is revoked.
No, ako na messages ya guys, it's been real. Hope to see you guys again. I will live to fight
another day.
Oko na ruwa yake mekira emoji ya maithori. It's okay. All the best. You have served your country diligently.
Wishing you well.
Yes. Of course, the seniors in the group, like the likes of Kina Cameroon,
Biya. Paul Biya.
And I think he's the oldest.
He is actually the oldest president in the world.
Not just the continent.
In the world.
How old is he now?
He is 92.
92.
Na manari na githurano ira.
And he's expected to make a comeback.
Kulingana na wachanganuzi ya maundu ma gisiasa ri.
Yes.
There are very high chances he is coming back.
Akoretwo wathanine miaka igana.
Ndathanite miaka mingi, athanite miaka 40.
Hope bayo. Hot. Woko bodi wa itondo giathane oi. Even constitutionally. Like atuga ni omeke.
Ni omekuo.
Yes. No makokore group yo in activity. Likes of Kinasevo, likes of Kogame. We are South Africa ta watia.
Ramaphosa.
Cyril Ramaphosa. Comrade President Cyril Ramaphosa. No yo giveri ya gushoka. Wagana.
Mutharika. No, Ghana is who?
No,
Tagwatea.
It's Mahama.
Mahama.
Yes. You know, they have some conversations there. Who is this typing?
I don't have his number.
Who is this? She recently elected.
By who?
Kagame, who is this? You know, we are having serious variety. We have very new members every day.
Mweri gutiraga mundu wa left na mweru ongererwo.
It is the people who decided not to re-elect him. How?
And he was in power.
Zuma, send a voice note. When people decide not to elect anybody, it is their prerogative as a nation. We must not interfere with the diplomatic independence of any country. Whoever they send away, we support. You see, the presidency is not good. You see, there are so many biting the dust.
And some of us are going to elections soon.
You see, the presidency, the timing is not good. So, have you checked on Mama Samia? Mama Samia, send a voice note. This is not time for typing. It's not time.
Sema usikike.
Mimi nawaombea nitumwombee nyumnikumbuke. But I see you have run very fast how to deal with opposition.
Ya vira kweli opposition hiyo there is strong.
I am very excited because Mama Samia did a crash course.
Ruto, why are you silent?
No, Ruto has nothing to worry about. His is 2027. The trend will have ended.
So what is going on in Madagascar?
I think the DJ is getting mixed up.
DJ Madagascar nake ni mutengeru.
You want to say reggae has stopped?
So almost stopping.
She almost stopping because the military.
Yeah.
Those ones are need to let them handle their stuff. So we are concerned about Sub-Sahara. So who is this one with the Ghana flag?
I am glad to be back. Oh. It was too much in the cold. Oh.
Welcome back and this time keep quiet.
Anyway, Salva Kiir.
So Salva Kiir says something. Your silence is too loud.
Your advice is needed.
Keep chirchir. Keep chirchir. You are silent.
My friends, we are okay. Our dream is to make our country like Singapore.
You Kenyans.
You Kenyans have a lot of ambition. So some countries want to be like you want to be like Singapore.
Wewe kuhana Kenya. Na Kenya enda kuhana Singapore.
And you seeing the worrying trend.
We have no time to discuss politics. We are on an upward trajectory. Me misuse the sweetie, misuse the ice cream.
It's all right. But remember Mama Samia in your prayers. And also myself. At this level, I think I need prayers.
Lakini wewe Museveni hata kukienda kukauke si wewe umeshaongoza miaka mingi.
Leadership is never enough.
Are you saying that I should leave?
Are you joining the? Are you interfering in our politics?
Tunazungumza tu my friends. Sasa unakasirika mzee.
Are you supporting my opponents?
You are beginning to support the musician. And the DJ from Madagascar is out.
Wakamorani. No ginyamorani.
This is not a good trajectory. The presidency that is being set is not good.
You know, even our people can decide.
Our people can be influenced, like you see, during these days of social media.
I will close social media.
So I usually have a switch. Somewhere I should turn off and back on when the things are back to normalcy.
Hata wote president wa Nigeria.
Hata wale. Hata wa acha Tinubu.
Yes, Tinubu.
Dangeo.
Obururi na guo we mutongu no guo we uge.
Yes.
Uro ginya consult one we zake.
Yes. Let us Aru Kagame. Let us speak in the other group.
We ukikona ito gari group ene neri. Andu aria matari warie ni mathondeka ga group kangi.
Ga side.
Ga kugira nditi.
You see these big brothers of Africa. They want to dictate on us and show us modern democracy.
We have our sovereign power. You see South Africa, Morocco, Egypt, and Tunisia, and Nigeria. They call themselves our big brothers. We must stick together.
It's true. She's more of a family stalker tonight. Somaliland is how? She said there are brothers here. Somaliland.
Somaliland na Somalia. Kaundu kau gatinge manogora.
Yes. Who is this who has left? Who is he thanking?
Yo raumira wa marahi areta atia. Chakwera kana no.
Areta Chakwera. So where is Chakwera going?
Reach him on the telephone because he's inactive in the group.
Afrika ukire na kaundu kau. Kama in kabenti kugithio wai ithurano-ini.
Yes. Aria mena ithurano ciembera bereri. Mara hope kiundu kiu kirike wega mwaka uyu.
Kinya next year gikoro kia water down.
Uko kwa hora horera. Ndiona nimwe ni uko na operation ya ngari bara. Yaku ngihonoka hindi yo ri. Mungururi wa thirari.
Achoka para. This is Africa.
Oh yes.
And Africa is our business.
Africa is our business. We are Africans and Africa is our business. Yes. Amandla.
Rakenda na fote.
Yes.